Hey Slack user, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to schedule a message on Slack like a pro. Whether you want to send a reminder, an announcement, or just avoid late night messages, scheduling is super easy. Let's get started. First, let's open Slack and go to the chat or channel where you want to send the schedule message. Open the Slack on desktop, select your channel or DMs where you want to send a message. Now just start the message you want to schedule. Just like you would for any normal message, make sure everything looks good before scheduling it. Here's where the magic happens: scheduling your message. Instead of hitting enter, click the small down arrow next to the send button. Select the present time like tomorrow at 9 a.m. or pick a custom date and time. Click schedule message. Boom! Your message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the selected time. Want to edit or cancel a scheduled message? No problem. Click on the schedule message in the sidebar, find the schedule message, click edit to modify or cancel to delete it. And just like that, you now know how to schedule messages on Slack like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Slack tips and tricks, and thank you for watching.